Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. In this video, we will learn how to create an unvalue management analysis in Excel using data from Primavera P6. EVM is a powerful tool for tracking project performance, integrating cost, schedule, and scope. So let's explore how to extract the data and build a comprehensive EVM model in Excel. The path we will follow: view, show on top, activity usage spreadsheet. Now we will right click here and click on spreadsheet fields. I have removed the selected option. Next we will move to the cumulative, then earned value. So first we need PV, cumulative planned value cost. Then we need to add the EV, earned value cost, cumulative earned value cost, then cumulative actual cost. So like this, we will add these three columns, PV. We can also modify, okay, if you need, so you can modify. Now click on apply and okay. So right side, you can see we have a complete data, okay. So if I click on zoom in, so zoom in again, so you can see we have data here, days wise, okay. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay, so like that. So if I zoom out, again zoom out, so now you can see we have a data week wise, okay. So here you can see we have a week wise data. So if you want to present your earned value weekly or a monthly, so you can change from here. You understand? This data you can see we have in a month wise. Okay, so I will again click on zoom in option. So we need this data. Let's suppose we need this data week wise. So we need to first convert. Even I can right click here, we can go to the time scale and we can change from the time interval options. Okay, so next what we have to do, we have to press Control plus A to highlight this data. Next we will uh, collapse. Okay, so next Control plus C to copy this data. Now move to the Excel and Control plus V. So we need to sort out which data we need. I am going to highlight these columns up to here and I will delete these columns. Let's adjust these columns. Okay, now you can see you can write here we you can also write here week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, like that. Okay, okay, the same data we can extract month wise as well. We can also modify this, PV, cumulative PV, cumulative planned value cost. We can put here PV, simple. Here for the EV for the cumulative bound value, EV. Here AC for the cumulative actual cost. Okay. So now I'm going to highlight this data. Okay, like this, and I will go to the and I will click on all borders like this. Okay, so next we will go to the insert option and I will go to the recommended chart. art chart, combo. Okay, so you, you can see series name PV, EV, and AC. We need this one, this one, and now you can also choose this. You can see secondary axis. Okay, so you can choose secondary axis as well. It's, okay, so next what we have to do, we have to click on OK, and our EV presentation in this in ASCA will be appeared. So on the top we can write here EVM for construction project. We can modify. Okay, we can also insert here the logo. Okay, so let me show you one thing more, please. It's very important. Actually, the the you can see the numbers. Usually we have same here. From here you can see 5 to 7 7 0 0 5 to 7 7 0 0 and same from same here. Okay, so actually we have updated only few activities. We have put the actual progress only in the few activities. Okay, you can see, let me show you. We have updated this our project. Okay, and you can say almost 20%. Okay, so we didn't yes, 20 to 30%, we did not update the complete project. Okay, so that's why you can see we have the same numbers here. You can I can modify. Okay, because we just collect this data before completion of completion of the whole project. So we can see we have the same numbers here. Okay, as well. So in a plan value, you can see we have the uh, the same number as well. Okay, so from the March, you can see 4 weeks per month. You can see for the January, for the February, for the March, April, and like that. Okay, so you can, if I modify, so it will take time. You can modify, just we need to understand how to generate the S curve for the earned value management. You can see this is the earned value management. You can choose the data table as well. Okay, and if I double click here, so I can choose the style as well. Okay, we don't need data label. Okay, so this is the presentation for the earned value management for PV, EV, and AC. Okay, so you can see here. Actually, we have updated up to here. You can see if I can show you. So the almost exactly the month. So you can see here. We have almost updated up to here like that. Okay, so actually this data is just the as it is. Okay, so we didn't complete the whole project, so that's why now. But if you will have the a real condition like this of in earned value of our project, so really it will be very horrible condition. Sorry to say. So this was the example. Okay, this was the simple example. You can see the difference. This is just for learning. Okay, so here you can see it's this one is the EV and value, and here you can see we have a PV, and here you can see we have a AC. Okay, so we have a huge difference. So this was the only example, and just we just learn how to extract the data from our project from Primavera P6, and how to make the S curve, how to make the presentation for your stakeholders meeting, or for your the presentation in your internal meeting. So this was the only purpose. Okay, so I hope you understand how to how to extract the data from the Primavera P6, and how to make a S curve using Excel. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.